the win!
Looks like we get to attack somebody.
CodeCombat.
Free the prisoner, defeat the guard, grab the gem. Okay. So, free Patrick from behind the weak door. Defeat the guard named 2 and then get the gem. Okay. So, we're gonna move right. Looks like we're moving down. Then we're gonna have to move up. Move right. Twice. Is he coming to me or? I'm not sure. And then, what's your name? 2? We're gonna attack him twice. And then, or is it 3? 1, 2, 3. We'll do that. And then attack him. And then move right. Let's try it. That seems like a lot. Nope. What?
I can't get there.
Do I have to say weak door? Maybe. And then we need to move down, I guess 4. Let's try it. No?
Chashin'.
Oh, maybe I should go to the door first.
I can't get there.
This one's tricky. Probably should read the hints.
I can't get there. Chashin'.
You can attack the weak door by name. Oh, okay. So I don't have to say it like it's a... We can attack the door. Let's try that. I don't have to attack it twice. Oh.
I can't get there. I can't get there.
Well, geez. So, we attack the weak door. It's getting tricky.
I can't get there.
How many, oh. How many times we gotta attack him? You can attack the weak door by name to free your allies and help them fight the ogre too. When you attack something by name, be sure to include the quotes. Yeah, we did that. Depending on your weapon and your strategy, you may have to attack the ogre more than once. Okay. Alright. So let's figure out where we are. Breaking the door. Running up the stairs. This is not... Let's move down twice. See where we are. Let's attack him 3 times. I'm trying to see how many times we need to attack this. Jeez. Let's move down once. We are not fighting them. Can we attack and then move right and then move down? We're gonna figure this out. We gotta attack them like 4 times. This one's giving me a run for my money. Oh, we just die. Maybe I need more armor. Or more health. Let's do that.
For the win.
Okay, we have this. What else we need? We need like a shield or something. Because there's no way.
For the win.
We need that. We need that. Oh, we already have that. What else do we need? Let's get a helmet too.
For the win.
There's no way. We got everything. We got the sword. What? Okay, we got the one that does the damage. Let's try this again. Because at this point, I think I just don't have enough armor or something. We're gonna figure this one out. Okay. Oop, not done. Oh, I didn't get to run it. No, go back. I have to see that one again. I didn't even get to run the thing. Where were we at? We were here? No. Jeez. I don't even remember what that was. Was it favorable odds?
For the win.
I don't think so. We figured that one out.